Hello, this is question 15 on your mixed exercise 1 from year 12. And given that y is this expression here, we have to express each of the following in the form k x to the power of n. This is going to be very helpful when we derivate and we integrate. So a, we have to write y, I don't know if you can see, but because it's very small, but y to the power of 1/3. And we know that y is 1/64 x cubed to the power of 1/3. Using the laws of indices, when we have a product to a power, we are going to do the power of both of them. Yeah, so we are really doing 1/64 to the power of 1/3, and then we are doing x to the power of 3 to the power of 1/3. 64 is 4 to the power of 3. Yeah, and that means that 1/6, or I can write a 4 cubed to the power of 1/3. I can do it, let me do separate here. So this one is going to be 1 to the power of whatever is 1. And then 4 cubed to the power of 1/3, if we multiply the exponents, it becomes 1. So it's going to be 1/4. And then the other part is x cubed to the power of 1/3. And again, if I multiply the exponents, I get 1. So it's x to the power of 1 or just x. So this is going to be 1/4 of x. Yeah, and that way I have a coefficient and then x to the power of something. Yeah. For b, I have to express y for y to the power of -1. So it's 4. And y is 1/64 x cubed to the power of -1. And again, this -1 is going to affect this one and this one. So I have 4. Remember when we do -1, we can do the reciprocal. So it's going to be the reciprocal of this one, which is 64. And then we are going to do x to the power of 3 minus 1, which is x to the power of -3, or 1/x cubed. So you can think of something to the power of -1 as the reciprocal or just the negative powers. This is exactly the same than this, and it doesn't matter how you write it. Both of them are correct. Yeah. What we can do is this 64 times 4, which is 256. Yeah. So either way, you can write 256 x to the power of -3 or 256 divided by x cubed. It's absolutely the same, and both of them are fine. Yeah. That's all with this question.